Have you ever felt that familiar flutter in your stomach, that racing heart, right before a big game or a critical performance? It is completely natural to experience pre-performance nerves, but did you know that certain sounds can be a powerful tool to calm those jitters and sharpen your focus? Indeed, listening to relaxing sounds can significantly reduce pre-performance nerves. Sounds like gentle nature recordings, soothing instrumental music, and even specialized audio frequencies, such as binaural beats or pink noise, are highly effective in promoting a calm and focused state. They work by directly influencing your brain and body to shift from a high-stress mode to one of tranquility and readiness. The core mechanism behind this calming effect lies in how these sounds interact with your autonomic nervous system. When you are nervous, your sympathetic nervous system, often called the fight or flight response, is highly active. Relaxing sounds help to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digestion. This shift lowers your heart rate, relaxes your muscles, and reduces the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Additionally, these sounds provide a positive auditory distraction, preventing your mind from dwelling on anxious thoughts and allowing you to concentrate on the task at hand. To effectively use sound for nerve reduction, you will want to identify what resonates most with you personally. Experiment with different types. Perhaps the consistent rhythm of ocean waves, the gentle chirping of birds, or ambient instrumental pieces without lyrics. Create a short playlist of these sounds and listen to them in the 30 to 60 minutes leading up to your performance. This period is crucial for mental preparation, and consistent exposure to calming sounds helps to create a mental cue for relaxation and focus. Beyond just general relaxation, some specific auditory tools offer unique benefits. For instance, binaural beats, which occur when you hear to slightly different frequencies in each ear, encourage your brainwaves to synchronize to a specific frequency. Alpha and theta waves are often associated with relaxed alertness and deep relaxation, respectively. Similarly, pink noise, a type of sound that is more balanced across frequencies than white noise, can be particularly effective at improving sleep quality and reducing mental fatigue, both of which are vital for peak performance. By intentionally incorporating these soothing sounds into your pre-performance routine, you are taking a proactive step to manage your mental state. This approach not only reduces anxiety but also enhances your ability to concentrate, improves your reaction time, and ultimately allows you to perform at your best. It is about creating an internal environment where confidence and clarity can truly thrive.